Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Finally, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra unveiled, a real-world breakthrough with a virtually flawless display. According to the latest preliminary data, leaked videos showing the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, in real-world conditions, show a remarkably flat screen, thanks to improved hinge technology and thicker UTG glass, ensuring flawless viewing quality. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. A Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, apparently straight out of the factory, is being examined from multiple angles, including for the first time, while actually turned on. A leaked hands-on video suggests an almost completely crease-free display in Samsung's upcoming foldable. According to another leaker, this can also be expected from its more compact iPhone Ultra competitor. A recent video posted on Weibo, by insider Setsuna Digital, offered a close-up look at the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, the promising successor to Samsung's flagship foldable phone. Unlike previously leaked still images, this video shows a fully functional device, showcasing the device's superior folding screen controls. The most striking aspect of the video is that the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra's screen is virtually free of dents or creases in the hinge area, a common flaw with previous foldable smartphones. While a very slight shadow may be visible at certain angles, the crease virtually disappears during normal use. According to reports out of South Korea, the secret to this improvement lies in Samsung's use of thicker, ultra-thin glass, UTG. The increased glass thickness not only makes the screen more durable, but also minimizes creasing after repeated opening and closing. Furthermore, the new hinge system is believed to play a key role in maintaining the flatness of the display panel. Ice Universe also expressed confidence that the standard Galaxy Z Fold 8 will launch with a similarly impressive display, according to earlier reports from South Korea. Hours after the leak, Ice Universe spoke up again with a perhaps surprising theory. After further review, he noticed some inconsistencies in the video, which he outlines in another X post. According to his theory, the foldable shown cannot be the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, as the display has too much glare. The camera bump differs in detail from the design of the new Samsung foldable, and the camera cutout in the display is too large. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.